Hi, I'm Les Meyers with Compass, and welcome to 21 Beekman Pl. 21 Beekman was built by Ellen Shipman in the 1920s. When she was here, this area was filled with historic figures, including Irving Berlin, who lived across the street. There's so much I want to show you. Come on in. This home has been thoughtfully updated and restored to preserve much of its original charm. You can see that and feel it the moment you walk in. The grand entry features the first of 5 fireplaces, elegant marble flooring, and this grand spiral staircase. And that sets the tone for the grandeur you will see throughout the home. Check out this amazing dining space. You'll notice that we have the chevron flooring here, which is a hallmark of this home. There's room to entertain 15, 20 people. You have river views, gallery walls, and another fireplace. Plus, tons of natural light. But there's more. This country-style kitchen will transport you. It has amazing storage and the Rolls-Royce of ovens, this LeCornu range. Other features include an oversized brass island, a small breakfast nook, and look at this brass sink. But that's just the first floor. Let me show you where this house really comes alive. Did I mention there's an elevator? But we're taking the stairs. So 21 Beekman Pl has one of the most spectacular parlor floors I've seen in New York. The western side of the parlor level features this very beautiful and elegant pine-paneled library. It also has this gorgeous bay window that was designed by Shipman herself. The library also has this wonderful little peekaboo Juliet balcony. And another of the fireplaces. This library is super soothing and very elegant, and just a wonderful place to find quiet at the end of the day. We're about to enter what I think is the best room in New York City. This is the Conservatory. It is so rare to find a conservatory in a townhouse in New York City. This one features floor-to-ceiling triple pane windows, silk panels on the walls, incredibly high ceilings, the continuation of the chevron pattern oak floors, and another of the home's fireplaces. One really special feature in this room are the leaf pattern moldings. I feel they really connect with Shipman's past as a landscape architect. This is one of the most gracious rooms in the home. It has multiple seating areas and is built for entertaining. If you're not excited yet, wait till you see this. So this beautiful solarium is just perfect for intimate gatherings. It's sunrise facing and makes you both look and feel like a star. And how about this beautiful manicured terrace? It has open river views that span from bridge to bridge. And this is the perfect place to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the tour of 21 Beekman, and I hope to see you soon.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.